Hi, I'm Kendra Mays, and I'm going to be discussing lifestyle. So before I go into that, I want to talk about proteins in general. Proteins are the assembly blocks of which most cells are made, and they constitute most of the cell's mass. They can be used in storage, communication, and hormones, for example, like in insulin. If you have type 1 diabetes, your insulin is deficient, which means that your receptor isn't working, and it means your protein receptor isn't working. So this can be an example. Proteins have four main structures: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. For the primary structure, it's mainly the how many amino acids there are. For the secondary structure, it's repeated folding. And for the tertiary structure, it's mainly the 3D structure, and the quaternary is the subunit. But in this case, the lysine, because it's only one long polypeptide chain, there is no quaternary structure. So, what is the enzyme? Before I go into lysine, because the lysine is the enzyme. So, what is the enzyme? It involves binding to another molecule. It performs nearly all chemical processes and transformations. An enzyme has to have one ligand that converts it into chemically modified products. So, lysine, what does it do? Well, lysine is found in egg antibiotics or antibiotics in eggs. It's also found in saliva and in our tears. Lysozyme is also, so they had research that said that if you put lysozyme in food, because it helps fight off bacteria, because it's in the innate immune system, then we wouldn't get sick from, say, if you had salmonella, you wouldn't get sick if you had lysozyme in there. They're still doing research on it though. So, fun fact about lysozyme. Well, lysozyme is one of the first enzymes to be discovered using X-ray tested oligo-free, and it was found by a Belgian man named Christian de Duvet. So, lysozyme structure. For the primary structure, it consists of one long polypeptide chain that has 129 amino acids. It has four disulfide bonds that contain sulfur, sulfur side chains. For the secondary structure, it has two domains. The smaller domain has 9 helicases, and the larger has 11. And like I said before, there's no quaternary structure. So lysine is gene expression. Lysine is found in cardiac myopathy and other neurological diseases. It was also found in Alzheimer's. But there's a research that in a thing called bronchopulmonary dysplasia, which is when infants can't get enough oxygen because their lungs weren't fully developed. It found that infants that had this disease had a major decrease in lysine than in babies that were normal. So they said there's some major correlation between those two. So basically, we need lysine. We need all proteins. They're all involved in everything. So lysine does anything. We need it, and they're still doing major research to help and to find out more things about it. Thank you.